Doggone, I want you to know that it's been so nice and I love you so. But it looks like the end of the show, but I loved every minute. I'm telling you so, but now I'm only one, and we should be two. And I wish there's some way I could get across to you that you're my Denver doll, my Cincinnati sweetheart, my California cuddler from the bottom of my heart. And don't forget, I seen your prom and the day that you watched me mow the lawn. And it's those little things you can't even count. They haven't made a number to match that amount. And like I said, doggone, I want you to know that it's been so nice and I love you so. So